Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility, age, degree completion, and clean disciplinary record, because missing one item stops your application. Next, collect official documents, ID, degree certificate, transcripts, and a 300 DPI passport photo. Scan them clearly. Once scanned, create the exam account on the official portal and complete profile fields exactly as on your ID. Make payment by card or bank transfer, then save the receipt. This first push locks in your slot and prevents last. Now fill the detailed form, personal data, education, employment history, and legal declarations. Enter names and dates exactly as on certificates to avoid mismatches. Upload supporting PDFs under 5 MB, naming files like last name degree 2025. Check each thumbnail to ensure it uploaded correctly. If referee letters are required, request them immediately and give referees precise instructions and deadlines. Once uploaded, monitor the portal for document verification flags and respond to any requests promptly to keep your application moving forward. Finish by confirming the payment settled and then book your test center or remote proctor slot. Do this early to secure dates. Download and print the admission ticket and check ID rules and technical requirements at least 72 hours before test day. Run system checks if remote. If an application is flagged or rejected, read the reason carefully, correct the specific document, and submit an appeal or additional proof within the allowed window. A targeted fix usually resolves most issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.